Welcome to our at-home lash and brow dye tutorial. Before we start, a quick check you've done your skin patch test 48 hours ago. Here's what you'll need today: a non-oil-based makeup remover, petroleum jelly or thick barrier cream, cotton buds and pads, plus water. And we also love an angled tips brush too. First, remove any natural oils or makeup from your lashes and brows. Apply barrier cream to the eye protection papers and press them under your eyes, close to the bottom lashes to protect the skin from stains. For brows, apply the barrier cream around the entire brow area so the dye doesn't stain your skin. Squeeze a 2.5cm strip of colour cream into the mixing cup. Add 10 drops of developer liquid and mix well using the white wand. Using the spoolie or angled tip liner brush, apply the dye to your brows until they are fully covered. Make sure you get those little baby hairs for extra fullness. Next, apply to your lashes, just like you would apply mascara. Let the dye develop for up to 10 minutes, depending on the depth of colour you like. Once the time is up, remove the dye from your brows using a damp cotton pad. You may need to go over the brows a few times to make sure it is all removed. Next, remove the eye pad protectors from beneath the eyes and with your eyes closed, gently wipe the dye from the lashes with a damp cotton pad. And that's it! You've just dyed your lashes and brows at home. Thanks for watching, and we hope you love your fresh new look.